This is the Gerber Genuine A663444N Spout Repair Kit, and this is for the Gerber kitchen faucet model number 40-162. Now the kit will come with these two white plastic pieces here, this white plastic washer, and then one large and then a little bit smaller rubber O-rings. Now we'll get some measurements of each of the pieces here. With this white plastic washer, as you can see, measures right at about a 1 inch. A little bit more, just a little bit over an inch. And we'll get the diameter of this large white plastic piece, and you can see it is also right at an inch, maybe a little less, but right there at about an inch. And the smaller one, that one will measure right above half an inch, as you can see there. The rubber O-ring measures right at about an inch as well. And the smaller O-ring will measure right above half an inch. Once again, this is the Gerber Genuine A663444N Spout Repair Kit.